No one would have believed in the last years of the 19th century that Mars would have needed its own flag. Well, according to some, it does. And in this Flags in 50 Seconds, we explore some of the various designs. We start with probably the most commonly used, which was designed by NASA's planetary scientist Pascal Lee in 1998. The colours representing terraforma of the Martian landscape, from the red dust colour of the surface into vegetation and oceans. This flag has been adopted by the Mars Society and Planetary Society and flies at various locations, including the Flashline Mars Arctic Research Station and the Mars Desert Research Station in Utah. The Space Shuttle Discovery also took a version of this flag into space in 1999. However, there are issues with this flag as it potentially has similarities to other more earthly national flags. This more distinguishable version by Cadler Hansen includes the red for the same reason, the white for the ice caps and peaceful intention of the planet exploration. The chevron is a symbol of the tallest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons, as well as an upward pointing arrow showing humanity's journey into space. Versions have also appeared in TV shows. This, from the series The Expanse, shows Mars with its two moons. The novel Moving Mars by Greg Bear describes this flag, and in Stranger in Strange Land by Robert A. Heinlein uses the scientific symbol. And then there's all these other examples, way too many to even mention properly in such a short period. Feels like there's a whole series in itself. Maybe let me know in the comments below if you think that's worth seeing. The, let's face it, way too many flags of Mars. May the force be with you. I think that was probably a bit too much.